Hi guys, my name is Swamitra and I work as a UX designer in Bangalore. Today I'm here to talk about the way we use apps to create our schedule for the whole day. When you open any app and you want to create a task, you basically tap on the time and then you write the name of the task and then you mention how long are you going to spend on it, right? And then you save it. Then it goes to your calendar and it's there. And then when the time comes, it shows you the reminder. The phone rings. That's the whole thing. Now doing this 5 times or 6 times for the day and repeating it again, again, and again, that's not gonna work because every day I have to do different things. Maybe I have to do 5 things today. Maybe I have to do 6 things tomorrow. The whole schedule for each day is different, and I cannot go to the app every time, tap on the time, and then write the name and how long I'm gonna spend, and then save it and doing it again, again, again. Now doing the same thing on the assistant, it's not different. You have to tell exactly when do you want to do it and what are you gonna do and then how long. That is optional. Assistant by default save 30 minutes time, but if you want to spend 2 hours, you have to tell exactly you are going to spend 2 hours on that task. So this is a big problem for me and I want to solve it. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to try solving this problem through a concept. I will start with the sketch here. I will show you. So let's start by creating a sketch. This is a phone. This is not a phone, but it's a phone. Yeah. This is a notification, typical notification here. And then we have assistant button like this. So now in the new versions of the OS, this assistant experience is different, but mostly these are going full screens now. If the I'm not talking about the power button holding and then the half grade faded out version of assistant comes pop up. That's not I'm going to talk. What I'm talking about is the whole screen assistant experience. Now let's say I tell him to this is my first interaction, by the way, interaction one. I will say uh, I wanna schedule my day. This is the first interaction I'm gonna do. So I will tap on it and I will write it. So sentence comes. Okay, let's not do it here. I'll do it here. This is the first thing I'll say. Then the assistant will, let's say assistant is this, and it will say, okay, when do you wanna start? So assistant will ask me, when do you wanna start? This is the next interaction assistant will ask. Then I will say 9 a.m. So 9 a.m. answer will come here. Okay. So then assistant will ask me, what are you gonna do on 9 a.m. right? So 9 a.m. after that assistant will ask, okay, what about the first thing or semantics? We will have to figure it out. So what about the first thing? And then I will say, yeah. So assistant will ask here. I will again answer, this is my first thing here, right? You will have to tell exactly how many hours are you going to spend. So I'll say, okay, but if you are not, if you're not doing it, you as a assistant can ask you, or you can tell him. That is another way of solving it. So I'm not, the main idea behind this is you should not be tapping a lot and you should not be thinking a lot. You just tell him that I'm gonna do this. I will start my day by this time, and I will do this, and then after that I will do this for 3 hours. After that I'll do this for 2 hours. That's it. And this whole communication that you are talking to, communicating to the assistant should be able to capture the whole thing, right, and create the whole schedule you based on your communication with the assistant. That's the whole idea. Now there are different problems with this, because sometimes you will not be able to uh, tell exactly how long are you gonna spend. Let's say you are just thinking, and you are thinking, okay, you have three tasks. Okay, you don't have three tasks. You have three tasks. Let's say you have three tasks: task one, task two, and then task three. And imagine that you are creating your schedule. You have your Google Assistant or Google Nest Hub, or maybe doing it through mobile. You have it there, and then you have your laptop here, and you are communicating and telling him like what I'm gonna do. You have three tasks in mind, and you are checking your email on your laptop, and now suddenly an email pops up, and then you have this also. So this is another scenario when you you divided your whole day of 9 hours to three and three. Now you wanna reschedule it. So how are you gonna do it? You will say, okay, let's make it shorter. So task three has to be shorter to 2 hours. Task two has to be shorter to 2 hours, and then there is task four for 2 hours. Now you have 2, 2, 3, 6, and 9. So these are some of the few complexities that we are gonna face in the design. So to summarize it, I will create an experience, assistant based experience, which will help you schedule your whole day easily without lot of tabs, and probably gonna cover a lot of use cases. So let's see how it goes. Thank you. Welcome back. So here, as you can see, I have used Adobe XD to create the Google Assistant experience, and you can see I have created multiple artboards to replicate the whole scheduler experience. So let me run through it and let's see how it works. So let's play. I'll click on the play button on XD and hello, how can I help? Let me record it separately. I'll click on the game bar and record the screen. So it is recording. It is asking me, hello, how can I help you? I will answer with, I want to schedule my day. When does your schedule start? 9 a.m. What do you want to do first? So after starting the schedule, it is asking me, what do you want to do first? I will reply with, I want to attend my meeting for 2 hours. Next. Work on design concepts for 3 hours. Do you want to add 30 minutes break after that around 2 p.m.? So after starting at 9, I attended a meeting for 2 hours and then work on design concepts for 3 hours. So 9 plus 2, 11 and 3, 2. So around 2, it is asking me to add a break. So this is a digital well-being feature I have introduced here. Digital well-being is not limited just to blocking apps on time and all that, no notifications. It is a concept which we can use throughout all the products, all the categories. So assistant is asking me, do you want to take a break? I will say yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. You have a meeting at 3 p.m. Do you want to add it? So after taking a break at 2, it's 2:30 now, and there is a meeting at 3. So assistant understood that in 30 minutes, it would be better to skip the 30 minutes and then attend a meeting. So assistant said, do you want to add it? I will say, okay, add it.
Next,
After that, I would just want to wrap up my day. So I will say wrap up and send updates for 1 hour.
I have created your schedule for today. Do you want to add something else?
So it's already 5 p.m. now, and assistant understood that I have started at 9 and it's already 5. So I would not want to add more tasks. Or in the other way, assistant is suggesting me not to add much. It is suggesting me that you can end your schedule and then continue with your day doing whatever you want. So it's instead of asking me next, it asked, I have created your schedule for today, do you want to add something else? I will say, no, nothing else.
I have created your schedule for today. Do you want to add something else?
So it is showing me my schedule now. It is attend meeting at 9. After that, 11 work design concepts. At 2, I have a break. I have a discussion on release at around 3 to 4. And then from 4 to 5, I will wrap up my work and send updates to everybody, to my team. So this is the concept I imagine that assistant should be. It should allow you to create your schedule. The whole communication would be two-way, and in this way you would be more productive, and you can completely schedule your day including your breaks. Assistant would suggest you to take breaks. It will take up your meetings, it will take care of your meetings, it will suggest you to end when it is necessary. So this kind of collaboration between, mixing things up, like mixing the meetings, mixing your inputs, mixing the digital well-being features, breaks, everything, I think it's good. And tell me about it. Tell me, write your comments, and uh, tell me what do you think about it. I'll surely reply to you. Uh, so thank you.